Picture this. You're standing on the shores of life, gazing out at the vast ocean of possibilities. In this video, we're not just going to skim the surface, we're going to dive deep into the treasure trove of insights about the value of life. Get ready for a journey that will challenge your thinking, warm your heart, and leave you inspired.
Section 1. Inherent worth of life.
Imagine a priceless jewel hidden within the layers of rock. That jewel is your life's inherent worth. It doesn't matter if you're born in a bustling city or a remote village. Within you lies a unique and irreplaceable gem that adds brilliance to the mosaic of humanity.
Section 2. Finding meaning and purpose.
Life is like a grand puzzle, and finding meaning and purpose is like fitting those intricate pieces together. It's about discovering your passions, your dreams, and the sparks that ignite your soul. Think of it as embarking on a thrilling adventure to uncover your life's secret treasure map.
Section 3. Relationships and connections.
Life is a magnificent tapestry woven from the threads of connections with others. Imagine the vibrant colors and intricate patterns that emerge when these threads intertwine. From the bonds with family to the friendships forged over years, these relationships are the very fabric of our existence.
Section 4. Contributions and legacy.
Think of your life as a blank canvas waiting for your strokes of brilliance. Contributing to the world is like adding vivid colors and bold brushstrokes to this canvas. Imagine the impact you can make, creating a masterpiece that transcends your time and continues to inspire generations.
Section 5. Perspectives on mortality.
As we explore the value of life, consider it as a remarkable story with chapters yet to be written. Reflect on how different cultures and beliefs add layers of meaning and depth to this narrative. It's like viewing life through a kaleidoscope, where each turn brings new colors and patterns. Accordingly, MOTIVRSity can draw the following conclusion as we wrap up our journey through the value of life. Remember that your life is a unique and enchanting story. It's a journey of self-discovery, connection, and contribution. Cherish each chapter, embrace the people who add meaning to your narrative, and continue to seek the hidden treasures within your own existence. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this captivating journey, so please share them in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure.